You need to watch this if you struggle with staying motivated. It's time to reclaim your power and push forward. Life isn't about never falling, it's about getting up every single time you do. Think of a champion. They fall down, but they stand up 8 times stronger. Each setback is just a setup for an incredible comeback. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Every dream, every goal starts with a single step. And sometimes, that step leads to a stumble. But it's okay. Each fall teaches us resilience. It builds our strength and molds our character. So next time you fall, don't see it as failure. See it as a lesson, a chance to grow. Embrace the struggle, because that's where the magic happens. Keep pushing forward, no matter how many times you fall. Stand up, dust yourself off, and move ahead with even more determination. Remember, success isn't final, and failure isn't fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. So stand tall, stay strong, and never ever give up. Your victory is just around the corner. Keep pushing forward.